OBDeleven Review Usage Experience. In this video, I'll be reviewing OBDeleven, a powerful diagnostic tool for Volkswagen and Audi vehicles designed to simplify car diagnostics and coding. Links to the product are available in the description below. OBDeleven is a compact OBD2 device that connects to your car's diagnostic port and pairs with your smartphone via Bluetooth. It's ideal for car enthusiasts, DIY mechanics, or anyone looking to have more control over their vehicle's systems. With OBDeleven, you can perform a wide range of tasks including reading and clearing fault codes, viewing live data, activating or deactivating vehicle functions, and even coding new features into your car. The app also provides real-time diagnostics, making it easy to identify issues in your vehicle without needing to visit a dealership. One of the standout features of OBDeleven is its user-friendly interface. The app provides an intuitive dashboard that allows users to easily navigate through various vehicle modules and access diagnostic tools. It supports advanced features like long coding, adaptation, and module coding, which are especially useful for those who want to personalize their vehicle's settings or enable hidden features that are typically only available in higher-end models. The device itself is small, portable, and easy to use, making it perfect for on-the-go diagnostics or for those who prefer DIY repairs. It supports a wide range of Volkswagen and Audi models, and updates are regularly released to ensure compatibility with newer vehicles. The app is available for both iOS and Android devices, which adds to its accessibility. While OBDeleven offers a lot of useful features, it's not the cheapest option on the market. However, the value it provides in terms of car diagnostics, customization, and control makes it well worth the investment for those who want to take their vehicle maintenance into their own hands. Overall, OBDeleven is a powerful, user-friendly tool that provides a range of features for anyone looking to enhance their Volkswagen or Audi ownership experience. For more details, check the link in the description below.